Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your host Wajiha Naeem. Today I'm going to tell you how you can blur the background of any image and how you can blur any object from any image. Let's get started. So don't go anywhere, stick to the video. So I'm going to tell you a very easy way so how to do this. First we will upload our image here. I will choose from Canva. I will choose this image, adjust it to the background. Now go to edit photo. Here is the option magic grab. We will use this option and it takes some time. Now our object is cut out from the background. Now we can easily blur the background. Here go to the effects option and here is the blur option. We want to blur the whole image, so we will select this. Here you can increase the intensity, how much you want to blur. So I will increase the intensity like 45 or 46. So this is the way you can blur the background of any image. Now we will see how you can blur the object of any image. For let's say we will take this image. Now we will go to the blur option here, and here is the option brush. Now you can increase the size of the brush. Now we will drag this brush to our image to blur this object. So this is the great feature of Canva, from which you can easily blur any background or any object. This is how you can blur the background of any image and the object in any image. I hope you like this tutorial. My channel. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.